Getting started with the Excel interface. For beginners, the Excel interface can seem daunting at first glance. In this lesson, we will explore the essential elements of the Excel interface and provide guidance on getting started. The ribbon. The ribbon is the horizontal strip of tabs and icons that runs across the top of the Excel window. It is your gateway to Excel's features and functions. The tabs are organized logically, with each tab containing related commands. For example, the Home tab includes options for formatting text, while the Formulas tab is dedicated to mathematical and logical functions. As a beginner, start with the Home tab, which contains fundamental formatting tools like font styles, cell borders, and text alignment. The Workbook. In Excel, your work is organized into workbooks. Each workbook is a separate file that can contain multiple worksheets. To create a new workbook, go to the File tab and select New. To open an existing workbook, go to File and choose Open. Understanding how to manage workbooks is essential, as it's where your data will be stored and organized. Worksheets. Worksheets are the individual pages within a workbook where you enter and manipulate data. By default, a new workbook includes one worksheet, but you can add more as needed. Worksheet tabs are located at the bottom of the Excel window and are labeled with sheet names. You can click on these tabs to switch between worksheets. The main area of the Excel window is the grid of cells formed by columns and rows. Columns are labeled with letters A, B, C, etc., while rows are labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Each cell is identified by a combination of its column and row label, such as A1 or B5. This grid is where you enter data, perform calculations, and create charts. The formula bar. The formula bar is located just below the ribbon and displays the content of the active cell. It is where you can enter formulas, edit cell contents, and see the results of calculations. To enter data or a formula, simply click on a cell, and the content will appear in the formula bar. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is a customizable toolbar above the ribbon that allows you to add frequently used commands for easy access. As a beginner, consider adding commands like save, undo, and redo to streamline your workflow. Status bar. The status bar at the bottom of the Excel window provides information about the current state of your worksheet, including sum, average, and count of selected cells. It also contains zoom controls to adjust your view of the worksheet. File tab. The File tab, also known as the Backstage view, is where you can access file-related commands such as opening, saving, and printing workbooks. It also offers options for customizing Excel's settings. As a beginner, take your time to explore these essential components of the Excel interface. Start with simple tasks like entering data, formatting cells, and using basic formulas. With practice and patience, you'll soon find yourself becoming proficient in Excel and harnessing its capabilities for a wide range of tasks, from budgeting and project management to data analysis and reporting.